This is the cave at Lost Beach, everybody. This is the cave. This is one of the most special places in the world to DJ. And what do we have? We have a new toy. We have the new DJM-V10 with the customs sticker on it right there. That's a custom sticker from Ecuador. That means it just came through customs and they checked it. But we're doing the official unboxing today of the DJM-V10 mixer. This morning when I woke up, I did not know I was gonna be owning one of these today. I knew I was gonna need 3 of them to fill our dance floors and our other clubs, but I never knew I was gonna get it today. The guy called me and we bought it. Let's open it up. Do you mind filming this? It's playing. Alguien ayúdame. Bájale la cara. It's a box in a box. The DJM-V10. It's got 6 channels. The last mixer out by Pioneer was the DJM Nexus 2. Ever since then, I've been waiting for something new. And here it is. And I know just what to do. Connect it in here at Lost Beach Club. I have my gloves on because I was charging cover at the door. We're in a festival right now. We got WAF, Chris Ducey, Marco Garzosi, Marcelo Garzosi, Pato Romero. Where's Pato Romero? He's right there. We got tons of really cool DJs. And now we got a new toy. Let's do this. It says beyond the music. Beyond the music. If it's beyond the music, then what is it? Like, is it about sex? What? Talk to me. Like, they even taped it on the inside. We got one cable. It's got like a really weird connector on it. I've never seen that connector before. Actually, it's got a normal connector, but with a lock on it. Tiene un lock. Mira. Tiene un lock. Ayúdame. Coge la caja. You see this tape here, everybody? That's the Senai. That's the Aduanas del Ecuador Senai. Aduana means customs. That means they opened this bad boy because they wanted to know what it was all about. And wow, it's really clean. Ese no va a ir afuera, vamos a ponerlo solamente aquí dentro, hasta que llegan 2 más, porque no queremos que oxida. As you can see here, we have Allen and Heath Zone 96, and we're now, disconectan eso, we're now going to connect this. Alguien me mueve la caja, mueve la caja. Now we're going to connect this bad boy. Wow, that's a big difference. Big difference. Lost Beach Club, new mixer, tons of channels and filters. Each one of these is a track, is a line. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got an isolator that we also had on the DJM-1000. I haven't seen one since then on the Pioneer line. You got 2 mics here. This, I do not know what it is yet. They got headphones A and B, which is really, really cool. You got a Magvel crossfader. Damn, this is headphone B, headphone A, so 2 people can have their own headphone control. That's really cool. And this is like the headphone A, headphone B for queuing up. That's amazing. That's cool. They got, the booth has a high and a low frequency, and there's even a filter for the main. Look, there's a filter for the main line out. That's really, really nice. Well, welcome to your new home, Pioneer. This mixer looks great. Let's see what we got on the back. We got the power entrance where the lock goes. We have, so to hook up the turntables, we have grounds. We have all sorts of effects, ins and outs, multi-use, in and outs. Let me see, is there digital? Yeah, we got digital here also. Ins, digital ins. That's wow. Do we have any digital outs? Digital ins. Rec master out, master out. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, this is the master digital out. It's just one out. It's balanced. So we got another master. We got master. It's got a lot of masters. Well, you know what? When I have this, now I'm your master. We got it, finally. Hey Dragon, what do you think about the new mixer? I love it, it's great. Thank you so much, Pioneer. And thank you so much, all the people that come to the Lost Beach Club that helped us pay for this. Pioneer didn't give it to us for free. They should have, but they didn't. Because we're the only club open right now on the top 100 clubs list. And we got this new mixer from the middle of nowhere, in the middle of nowhere. And this is its new home. Wow. Increíble, guys. Increíble. ¿Algún comentario?
Épico. Del otro mundo. Otro.
Nadie ni sabe usarle todavía.
Yo más o menos, pero no. Muy nuevo.
It's cool. Thank you everybody who's watched this video. Remember to subscribe and ring the bell to watch our next videos. Till then, peace! That was the unboxing of the Pioneer DJM-V10.